What's up guys, how's it going? It is Chris's birthday. You'll know him from the streams as Siege or Bird. Yeah, I thought we'll go for a little adventure in the Shropshire countryside as a treat. The weather is effing awful. We're going up to what's called Stiperstones, I think it's called. Stiperstones at the top of the hill. You'll know if this video comes out if we made it or not. It's cold, raining,
it's bloody freezing
and very, very wet. But the views will be cool, and I bought a new drone so we can play around with that.
Oh, it's just a jogger. It's just a jogger.
Chris is like, this guy's coming for us. He's got a shotgun.
No, just the way he was moving.
He's some weird ultra marathon runner. Look at that view, though.
It's just the movements. Looks like a Titan from Attack on Titan.
He apparently looks like a Titan from Attack on Titan.
Just the running style. But obviously it's pretty rocky terrain, so.
I wanted to do this series to prove to everyone that the UK is actually beautiful. I think this proves it. The weather's a bit crap, but it's pretty amazing.
He's long gone, that fella.
He's booking it.
I mean, it's got to be easier running down than up, surely, so.
I hope so. It's just so pretty. You can start if you want, just walk with it. Just record what you want.
I'm recording you flying the kite.
The kite?
Well,
if it works.
like a kite for adults.
It's like a kite for adults. Why is this not connecting? Oh, it did connect. Oh, that's annoying.
What?
It connected just as I turned it off.
Drone trying to connect. Please don't say fuck up bugger. Here we go, baby. And he's off. The young fly the nest.
It's very, very...
It's where he just nosedives into the cliff.
It is very, very windy.
I can still see him, but you're flying him into a storm.
Look at that.
Give it. Look at the storm. Look at the sky. That is pretty. Hopefully no one's sleeping up there. Robot ears, stand by. Watch where you're going.
When we get up there, I'll show you some of the auto shots and stuff you can do.
You need to drop some lore about this.
Stiperstones was land owned by Edric the Wild. Why are you still going? Stop. Oh, that's just the wind. The wind's setting the things off.
Yeah.
Edric the Wild, who owns Stafford Castle, which I'm going to do a mini episode on. He owned all of this land up to Stafford. And this was the edge of his border. Look at that.
So basically, if this was Game of Thrones, he'd be like Eddard Stark.
Yeah.
It probably would have been quite cool to just be like the Lord's mate, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Just get paid to do.
You just get given land and they're like, oh yeah, I like him, it's all right.
Yeah.
That Tony from down the road, give him a castle and some land, he's not a bad fella.
That Tony, you know, the
Big Tone.
Tony the cattle rancher. Cattle herder.
The only problem with being a lord is you'd obviously have to do like a load of regent business.
Yeah, shot of that.
Admin, paperwork, whatnot.
No, you have people to do that for you.
Look at that.
Yeah, no, cool. I'm gonna go up there.
You're gonna fall off.
It's too windy. Oh god, it's icy.
Yeah, I've come up here on the windiest day of the year.
Yeah, I can't do much more with the drone. I wanted to go like right out and then come across, but it's so windy.
What do you think this region of Shrewsbury's highest point is?
Well,
We've got to be getting close.
Firstly, this isn't Shrewsbury, but
where is it?
Shropshire.
Oh, you know, close enough.
Look at that.
That's pretty good. Look, that's that guy setting a fire. See all that smoke down there?
Yeah, I think that is actually where we drove past.
Yeah.
Oh,
big stone up there. That's obviously a marking point for something.
Yeah, we go up there if you want.
It's a bit windy, isn't it?
Let me put this away. Oh, that's okay. Not going to be able to get much drone shot, I don't think.
drone footage. You could if you just fucking chuck it.
It'll get yeeted down the hill.
Would it really?
Yeah.
Firstly, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, especially this far into the video. I'm just in the process of trying to work out the format of how I want to do this, so I'm not really sure what I want to do in terms of whether I want it to be candid or educational, that sort of thing. But yeah, if you let me know in the comments whether you like it, dislike it, how I can change the videos. I want to entertain, I want to get people inspired to go out and explore their local areas, and also leave in the comments where you want me to go next. And I look forward to hear from you. Enjoy the rest of the B-roll and the video.
No, I didn't mean like, does anything live up here such as sheep? I mean, it's prime place to find like a wolf or something.
Or a dead body.
Not a dead body. You know, I've always dreamed of not finding a dead body, but starting like my own murder mystery, but for real. I mean, it's sad that somebody would have to die for that, but I mean, if they're dead anyway.
So, bit of education.
Don't do this in the wet.
Don't do this in the wet. This is called Devil's Chair.
That looks cool, actually.
That's called Cranberry Rock, where we just passed. And then the one down the bottom of the hill is called Manstone Rock, just over the hill. Oh, wow. No, that's the one. That's Devil's Chair over there.
Oh, the wrong one then.
This is Cranberry Rock. That's Devil's Chair over there. We can go there if you want to.
Are you coming up?
He wants to climb it.
Are you coming up?
Yeah, I'm just playing with the drone.
Okay. All these can't be stable.
You'll be fine.
It's too windy to be up this. It's too windy.
How's that?
That's pretty cool. That's a good closing shot.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Money well spent, I think. What are you trying to get it to do?
Pick me up. Come here.
Pick me up. What we need to do is take some pictures to document our, and then we need to put like a
Snapshot.
Huh?
I can take photos with this.
Let me have a go with it.
No, I don't trust you.
Come on. I won't fly into the rock. What do you don't trust me?
Okay, I'll show you what to do.
I know how to do it.
Do you know how to do it?
No, but I can.
Okay.
I'm not gonna.
Move over.
I can fly through that gap.
Don't do it.
Can I try?
No, please don't. Stop.
I'm not gonna.
I'm going to record you. I'm going to put this as a blooper at the end.
What do you mean? It's.
I've lost my drone. Bring it down.
I'm trying. I am. I'm bringing it down.
For fuck's sake. Not too far. Bring it back over here.
You think I can't fly that? That was good flying. Was that good flying?
The drone's here, I guess. That is good flying. And there we have it. A little adventure.
A little adventure.
I'm going to leave you guys here with some drone shots. This is Shropshire. I'm going to come back when it's nicer.
Lovely Shropshire.
When it's not 30-mile-an-hour winds. We didn't have much time.
Well, it didn't help that we got lost in that guy's garden.
We also got lost, and I forgot. You might be able to see it on the camera at some point that I put on the back of the car.
He said, get out or I'll shoot you.
We went down a private road and the guy set the dogs on us. Well, he didn't. He just said, you can't really come down here, it's a private road. But we're going to make out like we're big, brave men and stood up to a farmer with a shotgun. Anyway,